Start by taking a couple of deep breaths to relax your mind and body, to manifest easy weight loss. I like when I lose weight the easy way. Weight loss is easy for me. Losing weight gives me freedom and choices. I eat healthy and nutritious food daily. My body burns calories fast. Right now, I take time to imagine the body I want. I take time to visualize myself on the scale, at my goal weight. Every day I journal my life, thoughts, and emotions and read back over them weekly. As I lose pounds and inches, I imagine how it will feel to be in my dream body. I'm sensing how it feels to fit into my favorite clothes or outfits. I plan for setbacks, and understand that this is a chance to fine-tune my weight loss program. It is easy for me to let go of the excess pounds and inches. My body is supporting me in my weight loss journey. My weight loss goals are attainable. Weight loss may be a challenge, but I know that my weight loss goal can be achieved. Losing weight is fun rather than a burden. Each pound I lose is a sign of my strength and determination. I'm thinking positive about my efforts to lose weight. This will increase my confidence and I will succeed. My weight loss goals are perfectly achievable. I set a reasonable timeline to lose weight. I journal each day to let me know how far I have come. Each time I reach a milestone, I treat myself to a movie or a gift unrelated to food. Rewarding my achievements, no matter how small, gives me the motivation to keep going. I will plan ahead for ways to prevent me from sabotaging myself. I can find tasty foods that are healthy. I also find fun ways to exercise. With my positive mindset, the pounds just seem to be melting off. I am eating healthy, exercising regularly, and controlling my cravings. Today, I keep my eye on the prize, fitting into my skinny jeans. I am actively working towards regaining the beach body that I once displayed proudly. I've decided to focus on becoming more active and make activities fun. Now is the time for me to love and accept my body. I choose to be pleased with my appearance at any size. I make the conscious decision to think positive about my body. I choose to be grateful for my body and how it helps me to lose weight in inches. My body is amazing in helping me lose weight. I prefer to treat my body with respect. I've decided to concentrate on staying healthy. I will lose weight and keep it off. Releasing weight is easy, effortless, and fun. I feel really good about losing weight. I feel better and better about my weight loss goals. As I move forward each day, I feel calm and peaceful about losing weight. Getting thin does not require rigorous exercise. I eat slow for my brain to receive fullness signals. I'm letting go of the belief that losing weight means difficult and restrictive dieting. Even though I may still have days when I don't love my body, this is perfectly okay. Take a deep breath and you're done. Doing these affirmations every day, you will see a change in the way you feel about yourself, your weight loss goals, and the way you feel and think about food.